My hair's pink. What is lipstick?
Lipstick.
What is it? No, that's foundation stuff.
What is it?
Foundation.
What's foundation?
You put it on your face.
For what?
I don't know.
What did it do?
It like fixes your ugliness. Pink hair. Look at that. What are you doing? Are you putting on all my makeup?
No, I'm playing with it.
Why? Can you change it so it's not Britney Spears? You can see her in the moon. She's in the background. Shh.
Or you can listen to this.
What is it?
You'll see.
It's country, isn't it?
No.
Is it pop?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a cover. Oh, droppy.